our life. Make it perfect, okay? I make in Africa with sharks surrounding me, white sharks. Yeah, crazy moment in my life. Namibia, a job of life. Here you don't have dangerous sharks, okay? Il n'y a pas de requin dangereux ici. You just have the blue one. Il y a le requin bleu, it's vegan, doesn't bite us. Just like the rest of the dolphins like. He goes, it's a lazy shark, just eat the rest of the dolphin. Half the fish was the dolphin, like, not the dolphin.
Guys, do a video now, okay?
Le requin bleu, il est pas dangereux, ok? Il est
Nice
vegan.
video for Instagram.
Il a 3 mètres, mais il est pas...
If it goes wrong,
en
it's for
Afrique, c'est dangereux. En Afrique, c'est incroyable, le requin blanc.
Oh, wow.
Indiana Jones staan op, ze was op policier. Dan gaan we nu omhoog. Mr. Jones, where are you? I don't know
Look at
yet.
that, Sky. Look, baby, in the front. Stand up.
Oh, dat is lekker wat voor
Sky, look.
gaan we filmar het filmen. Joli, hè?
Oh, wow.
Incroyable.
It's beautiful.
When you want, when the boat stops like that, when it's not on course, you can stand up and take pictures, okay? Quand le bateau il s'arrête, vous se pouvez mettre à pied, au debout, et prendre une photo.
Someone is on
À
front
droite,
of you.
il a la plage de Hirondelle, une plage secrète, tout dans le rocher. The Swallow Beach, my friends, on your right side, sir. That's a secret beach, all surrounded by rocks, and with the roots of the trees behind. Queres levar os lá?
There's a secret
Cara, pô.
beach right there.
Ah, não dá não, não dá não. Beach. Não, tá bom, tá bom. Não, que você fala vai. My friend, you see? Oh, that was me. I crashed it.
Wow.
Disneyland natural, not artificial, okay?
How
I
pretty.
crushed this, okay, with my head. There we go. Look on the rooftop. They got it up at the roof.
Wow.
My friend, the sun just swung me
Sky.
my professor.
Baby cakes. Holy crap. This is beautiful.
My private swimming pool, not piscine privée, okay?
Look at
Le
that.
plage de Hirondelle, 100 minutes dans vos frères. 5 minutes. Petit peu secret, seulement c'est nous que vous dites ça, ok? Il n'y a personne qui fait ça. It's a fisherman stairs there. The fisherman makes stairs on the cliff. It's all surrounded by rocks. Nobody knows who are you. Personne ne sait que vous êtes ici. C'est tout protégé par le rocher. Ok? Attention avec le dent.